Manipur remembers historic Nopilal. Chief Minister N. Biren calls for another Nopilal to save Manipur society, especially men folks from intoxication abuse. And Manipur women, including those above 90 years of age, commemorate Nopilal movement by participating in marathon on 18th Nopilal Day today. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You're watching Thursday Afternoon News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this afternoon. Manipur today paid a rich tribute to those brave Manipuri women who opposed the indiscriminate export of rice from Manipur by businessmen with the support of the British government. The 18th state-level Nopilal commemorative event was held at Nopilal Memorial Complex today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren mulled over the need for another Nopilal to save Manipur society, especially the men folks from drug abuse. He expressed disappointment at the rising rate of intoxicant abuse by people in the state to kickstart their day and at the rising rate of intoxicants abuse even at schools and colleges. Biren said it is high time for the government and the public to join force to wipe out drug menace, which is a major issue in the state. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren stated that with the relentless collective efforts of the state government, security forces, people and civil society organization, inner line permit system has been implemented in Manipur and for which the Citizenship Amendment Bill won't be applicable in the state. The Chief Minister said one major issue awaiting the state is the Naga peace talks final settlement. He stressed the need for the people of various communities who have been coexisting in the state since time immemorial to unite together and to take a joint resolution to be forwarded to the center. He said the center will never sideline any such collective decision. He appealed to people and CSOs to cooperate with the government. Chief Minister Biren also stressed the need to hold Nopilal observance at a suitable location where the public, CSOs and the government can all take part. The Chief Minister led people in offering tributes to those brave women who fought gallantly against the monopolistic policies of the colonial rule in 1904 and 1939 at the observance. A drama named Nopilal was also showcased at the commemorative event.
यामना collective ओइबा approach sama Manipur da sangi irai lai thokna raga laiba nataba handak yengo citizen amendment bill pass tawni haibada khoi kanagi chingi tangi nupi nupa adagi civil society government laiba forces pullaga takna badu nanga se khoi ani thona kanare gap ama exemptore ILP su phanghore khoi Manipur gi nupi singi top sacrifice matik magun chidi khoina aigamba mana tharaga oiroi ngasi su angakpani 21st century gi competition yam kallaba matam sida Manipur gi nupina all India gi na mangjin thaba hiram kaya leikre yu gi maroina country liquors machine ai gi nupa sing da piri ba saithiang mayam se adu nupa da pi ba saithiang ase nupa du di sigre le hauri ba magi masa masu magi nupi du na oi hauri ba amadi oi hauga da madu gi abastra magi family du gi magi future du gi khallaka da koi prevent to mathuk tai.
Taking part in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar asserted that women folks have been spearheading and taking immense responsibilities at par with men folks in facing various issues of the state since the early days. He urged everyone to know the significance of Nopilal observance and strive to instill patriotism among the upcoming generations.
Manipuri society is Nupina hena mangjin tana aduga hena important oiba role lobna ayamba matamda society si kannaba aduga even Manipuri nupa singsu kannabigi adugumbai thodang che ayamba matam lor la enai almain thamjage masida koi amarom nai tagedi koi gi society kanma tagedi amarom da nupa mayam singsu kandabe adaba adugumbai wakhalon amasu soina pomgane ne khali nupi mayam logiba adugumbai thodang do kaudana ba hena ngasi iskum numit sida koi gi thona parbi imasing adu amona nimsing si amona moida sadanjali pneli katsi aduga moina kathokiba aduga moina kanoto pnele baki damukta khangiba miyang gi khanbado akoi ningsing ga akoi su mokoi gi mato tamjarga koi miyang gi damakta yaiphanaba koi khansi.
28 state-level Nupilal Memorial Run participated by elderly women above 90 years of age took off today on the auspicious occasion of the 88th Nupilal Numid 2019. Participants appealed to women folks in the state to strive for a healthy life and to courageously face various issues for a better tomorrow. State-level Nupilal Ningsing Lamjel Organizing Committee organized a run which kicked off from Nupilal Memorial Complex and concluded at Singjamei Supermarket, where a memorial event was organized. Women folks from various communities of Manipur adorned in traditional attires took part in the run. In the 35 to 45 years category, Ningombam Sunita from Kabam, Maibam Romita from Nompok Sekmai and Kangabam Sunita from Tiam Kongjul bagged first, second and third position respectively, and in 46 to 59 years category, Chandam Thoibi and Paunam Indira from Takil Kongban bagged the first and second position respectively, while Naurem Randhoni from Kokching bagged the third position. In the above 60 years category, Thokchom Ibemhal from Kongjom, Thokdam Akashini from Wangoy and Ahiba Memja from Judging bagged the first, second and third positions respectively.
Chamulaban Tanan B. Debbie, Nell 85. I said, saying I had a bit I jello pagi hide the qua. Angangwing at the gate, I could habit, and the gate like tiny Kong is a pagi habit. Kong at some chatba at the kitchen bar at my tongue 90 days school light them Bakader Kwantam Dasu. I don't hana come no tatana, the gate, Jen Bagat that Bagatum Handumla Abba. At the game, a college car ran at them that you Adum Hana Dumtawi.
Mingji Biman Gokje. Honaba kanba akoigi hakchang sajin kana ta honaba adi sara ka tummaga leitaba phamma sara tumma leiba mido adudi akoigi isada ji am solokani
chana cham thoibi asyaw ge na khanbadi koire ba ko so yaw go phangda ba ka se phangda na hantak ti phang ba du da yaw rei ne hantak na ha ba ne
pauna mindira tail khungban ai di sahi khuding gi yaw re ba hakum na kano phasta ye hadamuna inam je aina horokpa mana phasta re ibani chen kita yam nak chen na chen min kwai ta re khangde maitai ni pi gi thongna je mayang asonga panara ga sune ko khoi gi ngamna ba sakti nongsa gi ta dam lo he ba ko
ai gi mingdi randoni ka we kasing da gi ne yumnak ki naurem ne yumnak na handa ka yauri se ani ro subane na lamu mamang da di tare subatai hanang na ahum subatai asmaina yaw ba se ID ai gi punsi sina lei ba mi din pilan je yaw ge haina dum khalle le pe
ai ka sini ka we chidi no pilan ja pha second gi wafam nata na ima lei ba ki damakta icha isu jing ja kalhong da ba ya de mama akhoi na khut thang ka tarabadi icha jing ja charak tam gi dare haidana tholokon
ai Ahiba Memsa Lilong cha jing chi khong dai kin leibak sida langi ba irang tauriba ningba thungba masung thungdaba kaya masu leire ko masigi nungai taba mem se nupi mama ama oina khoina thaudang je laujare hairaga ai khoi se amtang haibagi wa khalon da ne thoksara ini ko ibu
ai mi em malangambi Alliance Tonjam Wongbi Nalini Devi ada hadaki pilan lamjen se khoi maiba ma lamjen se bangam de haidna ai lamjen se phastani na jelak panate ai nu pilan ge as a campaigner na sahi kudingi lamjen thabani ai drama yawbani bakimnan sarma sabani sahi kudingi drama si ai ne ijarakani pabung khel chanta dagi tha hum chalaga ado yam nungai na koina chelai mi lising amaga chahum longge manungda ai sani ga tarama thebok tabangam gi ai sahi 71 year old age pension ni
NEIDP Manipur State Unit also observed the 80th Nupilal Numid 2019 at its office in Tera today. Speaking on the occasion, President of NEIDP Manipur State Unit, Dr. N.G. Bijoy lauded the tremendous and exemplary roles taken by women of the state. He expressed gratitude for their immense contributions to the society. Members of the unit paid floral tributes to the portraits of the late brave-hearted women of the state at the event.
ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯦꯚꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ 1939 ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 40 ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯉꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯞ ꯂꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 12 ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯕ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ
An awareness come workshop on Bharati Infratel Scholarship Program and Career Counseling exclusively for differently able students was held at the campus of Spartak Society of Manipur in Langthabal Kunja, Tapokpi Bazaar today. Spartak Society of Manipur, in collaboration with Sisu Sarothi Guwahati, organized the event under the Bharati Infratel Scholarship Program. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Spartak Society of Manipur, Laishram Tokendra Riki, said that educational expenses of differently able students right from passing class 11 till the higher studies can be reimbursed under Bharati Infratel Scholarship Program. He said differently able research scholars and students pursuing medical studies from Manipur have been granted scholarships under the program. Advocate of Manipur State Legal Service Authority, Asha Purna Devi, stressed on rights of persons with Disability Act 2016, while business consultant analyst Dipti Kumar Sagwaijam gave resourceful insights on career counseling and need of soft skills at the workshop. Administrator of Manipur University, Jernal Singh, and State Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, Manipur, Dr. Kumarjit, graced the event.
Students with disabilities, Dr. Tambani Lere Manipur, PhD Tobacco, JRF Fawa, the MA Toba, BA Toba Mayama Yauri, and Masiki scholarships in Namakoy, the Changi work in Nosing Cheloina, reimbursed Togadova, Adukuma program money, Mamang Sahida, Nordisk Yoina, Sam 96 Kenotoba Matung Manung da Manipur Dagi, Kunipan, 28 students with disabilities na Sigi scholarships Hangi. When Mashida Yam Nunga Jabdi, Aquina disability sectors, Hana the Amna person with disabilities. Yumdagi Putokta na Yamna marginalized Adumaina, Miang Amada Handaba Mong, the Yang Amada Hojekti, MCS Power, MFS Power, Adugumba, which you contribute to Wangami Habashi, which Yam slowly cannot sanctionally.
Baby talent show and rally were held today under Beti Bachao, Beti Parao campaign. Wangkai MLA Okram Henry, Imphal East DC Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom, President of Wal United Youth Club, Ningtho Kongjam Babu, and many people attended the event. District Administration Imphal East and Integrated Child Development Scheme ICDS Cell Imphal East District Program Officer DPO jointly organized the event at Wal United Youth Club in Wangkai Angom Laikai. Song, poetry, recitation and dance competitions were for girls marked the event. Speaking on the occasion, Wangkai MLA Henry Okram appreciated the event held under Imphal East Deputy Commissioner to empower women. He also assured of necessary assistance in uplifting the women's section. Imphal East ICDS DPO L. Indira said, as per 2001 census, there is a sharp decline in the child sex ratio defined as number of girls per 1,000 of boys between 0 to 6 years of age. She said Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiated the Beti Bachao, Beti Parao campaign in 2005 to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of welfare services intended for girls in India.
Baby talent show, Beti Bachao, Beti Parao, Siga, Mailena, Silam Bahita, Smana Silam Basayam Pay, Inkala Ibangang, Takpi Tambiba, Moi talent show, Moina Kari Kangena, Kangza, Duki Mataka, Kari Tambiba, I have the Angang at the gate, more than the people saying, have the Namdara Gala Base, Minata with some Napi, Tapa Itareka, Matam the people Pose, Katara Hupaki type, and the people the lands and the Canada, but Canada never awareness program,
Hanagi Wakalo Nipin Bakina, again, Pina Hantana, Adigi Atopagi Medalni, Atopagi, Kanoni Badan Oi, Kotli, Happiness in the other, Kui Dowry system to live in Inoko, Nantonaba, a home, Mama Purak Nava, Kuibusamas, Sida, Hena Maru Oi, Makuibunda, education, Pasana, education, Pidaba, the game of Koibukan Bidaba, Heidi Pok to get Hato people, copy of Visit of Bidaba, or the Wadi empowerment, say, Oibangani.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring news on the Parliament passing Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 after a marathon debate last night. We'll be back with the details after the break. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Thursday Afternoon News on Impact TV. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 has been passed by the Parliament, with the Rajya Sabha approving it last night. 125 members supported the legislation while 105 opposed it. The bill was passed by the Lok Sabha on Monday. 311 members had voted in its favor and 80 members opposing it. The bill amends the Citizenship Act 1955 to make illegal migrants of 6 communities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan eligible for Indian citizenship. The communities are Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis, and Christians. Speaking on the bill in the Rajya Sabha, Home Minister Amit Shah asserted that it is not against the Muslims. He said they will continue to enjoy the rights as the citizens of the country. Mr. Shah also allayed the fears of the people from northeastern states, saying the bill will not affect their interests. He said the NDA government is committed to preserving their cultural, social, and linguistic identities. The Home Minister also said that the legislation will bring a new light into the lives of the people who were facing religious persecution in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh. In Assam, the army has been deployed in Guwahati city after student protests took a violent turn last night. An indefinite curfew was imposed in the city last night. Curfew was also imposed in Dibrugarh district. The Deputy Commissioner informed that the army is holding a flag march. A report says that thousands of students gathered in Guwahati yesterday protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. The protesters also damaged vehicles. Police resorted to lathi charge and used tear gas to disperse them. As part of the security measures taken by Thoubal District Police, door-to-door search operations were carried out at Thoubal Haukha Maning Laikai from 5 a.m. until 6:10 a.m. today. The commando team, including women personnel, carried out the operation under the command of Thoubal District Police Deputy SP Commando K. Dhanajoy. Altogether, 125 households were verified during the drive, but no one was arrested. Now to sports news. 13 Hero I-League match between Real Kashmir and Kerala Gokulam has been postponed indefinitely owing to bad weather condition at Srinagar Airport. The match was supposed to be played at Kashmir's TRC turf ground. In yesterday's league match played at West Bengal's Kalyani Stadium, Mohan Bagan dropped Trau FC by 4-0. For the winners, Francisco Xavier Gonzai Munoz netted 2 goals at 5 and 46 minutes, while VP Suhar and Subha Ghosh scored 1 goal each at 38 and 90 plus 1 minute of the match. Northeast United will lock horns with Chennai FC in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Guwahati's Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Odisha's Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex, Odisha defeated Hyderabad by 3-2. For Odisha, Carlos Diagdo, Gisco Mermendez and Martin Perez Gudes scored 1 goal each at 27, 41st and 71st minute, and for Hyderabad, Bobo and Rohit Kumar netted 1 goal each at 65 and 89 minute of the match. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur remembers historic Nupilal. Chief Minister N. Biren calls for another Nupilal to save Manipur society, especially men folks, from intoxication abuse. And Manipur women, including those above 90 years of age, commemorate Nupilal's movement by participating in marathon on 18th Nupilal Day today.